It's frustrating when you are browsing online and keep on struggling over some words that you have never heard of. Dictionary fails here because you can't recall them afterwards. Here is a better solution. I am Dictozo, a strong Chrome browser extension that allows you to save definitions and translations of any word in any language. Those words then will be auto-highlighted on any website you visit afterwards, and you can instantly check the saved translation or meaning without searching it again. Here you can learn new words while browsing the web and at the same time enhance your vocabulary. Dictozo provides more than 200,000 plus word definitions in more than 115 languages in the same browser tab. You can also replace the complicated words with a much simpler word on any website. So stop wasting your time searching for the same word again and again. Install Dictozo now for free to make reading simple and joyful.